Myself Pawan Kumar, lecturer mathematics, and my college is Government Polytechnic Colleges, and my subject is Applied Mathematics 1 for the first semester student, and topic is transformations of product into sum or difference. First there are 4 formula in this topic. First we just take the first formula is 2 sin A into cos B, this equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. First we prove this formula, and proof of this, first we take right hand side sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and we know that the formula sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A plus B formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and we know that the formula sin A minus B, sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B plus sin A cos B and minus cos A cos sin B plus cos A sin B and minus cos A sin B cancel, and this equal to 2 sin A and cos B. This proves the first formula 2 sin A cos B, this equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. And next is the question related to this formula is to express the following as sum or difference. And first question is 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta. Here we apply this formula 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin 3 theta, theta A is 3 theta and cos B, B is theta, 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta, this equal to sin A plus B sin 3 theta plus theta plus sin A minus B sin 3 theta minus theta, sin 3 theta plus theta is sin 4 theta, and plus sin 3 theta minus theta is sin 2 theta, This we transfer this formula product of 2 sin theta into cos theta into the sum of sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. This we expect this product into the sum. And next formula is formula number second, 2 cos A sin B, this equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, and proof of this formula, we take the right hand side of this formula, right hand side sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. We know that the formula sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and minus we start bracket here sin A minus B, We know that the formula sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, and this equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now we open this bracket, minus sin A cos B minus minus plus and plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B and minus sin A cos B cancel, and this equal to cos A sin B plus cos A sin B, this equal to 2 cos A and sin B, 2 cos A sin B. And next the question related to this formula is express as a sum or a difference. 2 cos A, 2 sin A, 2 sin theta into cos 3 theta, and solution of this, and formula is a 2 cos theta, 2 cos A into sin B, and this equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Here we use this formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta, cos 3 theta, 3 theta, and this can be written as 2 cos 3 theta into sin theta, 2 cos A sin B, cos A here is cos 3A, A equal to 3 theta, sin B sin theta, and B equal to theta, and this equal to sin 3 theta plus theta minus sin 3 theta minus theta, and this equal to sin 4 theta minus sin theta, sin 2 theta. This proves the product of 2 sin theta cos theta into difference sin 4 theta minus sin 2 theta, and next formula is 2 cos A cos B, this equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and proof of this, formula number 3. Here we take the right hand side cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. We know that the formula cos A plus B, this equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and second the formula cos A minus B, cos A minus B, this equal to cos A cos B te plus sin A sin B. Now the cos A plus B, this equal to cos A minus B, this equal to cos A cos B cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now minus sin A sin B cancel with plus sin A sin B, and this equal to cos A cos B plus cos A cos B is this equal to 2 cos A cos B. Now this proves the product of 2 cos A cos B, this equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here we transfer the product of 2 cos A cos B into the sum of 2 cos A cos B plus cos A sin B. And the question of this formula, exercise express as sum or difference 2 cos of pi by 4 minus theta into cos of pi by 4 plus theta, and solution of this. Now we use the formula here is 2 cos A cos B, this equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, 2 into cos pi by 4 minus theta into cos pi by 4 plus theta, and this equal to 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta is cos A, and cos pi by 4 plus theta is a cos B, and this equal to cos A pi by 4 minus theta plus pi by 4 plus theta. This be the cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, pi by 4 minus theta and minus pi by 4 minus theta. Here minus theta and plus theta cancel, and this equal to cos pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, this equal to cos of 2 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 and minus pi by 4 cancel, cos minus theta and minus theta is cos of minus 2 theta, 2 to the 4, and this equal to cos pi by 2 plus cos minus theta minus theta, this equal to cos theta. Minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is always positive, and this equal to cos 2 theta, and we know that cos 90, cos pi by 2 is cos 90 is 0, and this equal to cos 2 theta. The answer of this equal to cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta. And next formula number 4, 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B, this equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Formula number 4, the product of 2 sin A sin B, this equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. First we prove this formula. Let us take the right hand side of this formula, right hand side, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. we know that the formula cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and the formula cos A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus cos A cos B, sorry here is minus, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now we open this bracket and this equal to cos A sin B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B minus cos A cos B. When we multiply minus into minus sin A sin B, and this equal to plus sin A sin B. Now cos A cos B cancel with minus cos A cancel cos B, sin A sin B plus sin A sin B, and this equal to 2 sin A and sin B, 2 sin A sin B. And the question related to this formula is express as a sum or a difference to sin 4 theta into sin theta. And solution of this, we using the formula here is a 2 sin A sin B, this equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, 2 sin 4 theta into sin theta, this equal to cos 4 theta minus theta minus cos 4 theta plus theta, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, cos 4 theta minus theta is cos 3 theta minus cos 4 theta plus theta is cos 5 theta. We express this product to sin 4 theta into sin theta into the difference of sin 3 theta minus sin cos 3 theta minus cos 5 theta. And next is a question related to this these formula. First is prove that exercise, prove that sin 10 into sin 30 into sin 50 into sin 70 degree this equal to 1 over 16, 1 over 16, and solution of this. Sin 10 sin 30, the value of sin 30 is 1 over 2 into sin 50 into sin 70, and this equal to 1 over 2 sin 10 degree into bracket row sin 70 degree into sin 50 degree, bracket band, and this equal to 1 over 4 sin 10 degree to sin 70 into sin 50. Here we divide by the 2 and multiplied by the 2, and this is the form of 2 sin A sin B. This is the form of 2 sin A sin B, and 2 sin A sin B is the formula of this is 2 sin A sin B, this equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, and this equal to 1 over 4 sin 10 sin A minus B, 2 sin A sin B is cos 70 minus 50 minus cos 70 plus 50, 2 sin A sin B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, and this equal to 1 over 4 sin 10 cos 70 minus 50 is cos 20 minus cos 70 plus 50 is cos 120, and this equal to 1 over 4 sin 10 into cos 20, and cos 120 written as a cos 180 minus 60, cos 120 is written as cos 180 minus 60, and we know that cos pi minus theta, cos pi minus theta lies in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant the cos is negative, and this equal to minus cos theta, and here this equal to 1 over 4 sin 10 into cos 20 and plus cos 60, and next page this equal to 1 over 4 sin 10 into cos 20 plus cos 60. Now we know that the value of cos 60 is again 1 over 2, and this equal to 1 over 4 sin 10 into cos 20 plus 1 over 2, and this equal to 1 over 4 sin 10, and LCM of this is 2 cos 20 plus 1 over 2. Now the 2 in the denominator take here, this equal to 1 over 8 sin 10 into 2 cos 20 plus 1, and this equal to 1 over 8 2 cos 20 into cos 10 plus cos 10. Sin 10 into 2 cos 20 is 2 cos 20 into sin 10, here is sin 10, here is also sin 10, 1 over 8 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B sin 20 plus 10 plus cos sin minus, sorry, here is minus 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, sin 20 minus 10 plus sin 10, and this equal to 1 over 8, here is sin 20, sin 20 plus 10 is sin 30 minus sin 10 plus sin 10 minus sin 10 and plus sin 10 cancel, and sin 30 is 1 over 2, and this equal to 1 over 8 into 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 16. Now this prove the result, sin 10 degree into sin 30 degree into sin 50 degree into sin 70, this equal to 1 over 16. And next is next question. Prove that 4 cos A 4 cos A into cos 120 minus A into cos 120 plus A, this equal to cos 3A, this equal to cos 3A, and solution of this 4 cos A into cos 120 minus A into cos 120 plus A, this equal to 2 into cos A 4, this equal to 2 into 2 cos 120 plus A into cos 120 minus A. Here we use the formula 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, this be the 2 cos A and cos B, 2 cos A cos B, cos A cos B, this equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and this equal to 2 cos A cos A plus B, cos A is 120 plus A plus B 120 minus A plus cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, cos 120 plus A minus 120 plus A. Here plus A and minus A cancel, and here is 120 and minus 120 cancel, and this equal to 2 cos A into cos 240, 120 plus 120 is 240, and plus cos A plus A cos 2A, cos A plus A cos 2A, and this equal to 2 cos A cos 240, this equal to cos 180 plus 60 plus cos 2A, and cos 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, this lies in the third quadrant, in third quadrant cos is negative, this equal to minus cos theta, and this equal to 2 cos A minus cos 60 plus cos 2A. Two cos A minus cos 60 plus cos 2A, this equal to 2 cos A minus cos 60 and cos 60 is 1 over 2, this equal to minus 1 over 2 plus cos 2a, and LCM of this equal to 2 cos a